Ready, set, let's brush! Brush your teeth in little circles. Don't forget the ones in the back. You're doing a great job. Now show off that big, bright smile. Come on, it's brushing time. Let's make your teeth shine like the stars. I know you can do it. Just like that, big smile. Food and plaque don't simply disappear. Regular brushing protects against tooth decay and helps keep the mouth feeling clean and fresh. Don't forget the tongue. The tongue is part of oral care too. Gently clean it every day for a super fresh mouth. Make it part of your routine. Let's not forget our smile. Make the brushing routine easier and fun for everyone. Brush together at the mirror every day.
They are learning the habit from us. We may have to remind them. We may have to help. But that's how habits begin.